In this demo, we're going to show you how organizations can enable skills-based hiring to understand which candidates to target and hire for open opportunities, and then enhance the experience of those candidates by embedding skills recommendations. Let's see how Oracle Dynamics Skills and Oracle Recruiting makes this possible. We'll join Marie, who's creating a job requisition for a marketing specialist. After elevating the job description using generative AI embedded in the application, Marie can add the relevant skills tied to the role. In the background, AI is sifting through HCM data to present the skills recommendations that are the most relevant to the role. But what does this experience look like, and how does it benefit candidates? To answer that question, let's join Samira, who is interested in finding a position at the organization. By simply uploading her resume, she can easily see the most relevant positions available based on her skills and experience. As she reviews the senior HR analyst role, she can see which skills the organization has prioritized for that role. She decides she's qualified for the role, and excited by the opportunity, she proceeds to apply. Immediately, Samira can review the application details that were automatically entered from her resume, such as her experience, education, and skills. The solution's AI also recommends skills that would help to bolster her application. She quickly adds those skills and submits her application. With Oracle Recruiting and Oracle Dynamics Skills, recruiting teams and candidates can both win to find the right fit. Oracle Dynamics Skills makes it easy to think big about your skills journey, but start small and move fast to get value quicker. To see a comprehensive demo of how Oracle Cloud HCM can empower your organization to become skills-driven and attract talent to productive workers, connect with your sales rep today.